Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share you all the knowledge that I have on making money through Android development, which I gained over few years. I have an app in Play Store called Memory Mania with Google Ads in it. So with this, let's get started. First thing first, let's see how we can make money through Android development. So the first way is through ads. So let me explain you how ads work and how we get paid. Suppose there is a company called Mr. Boom. Let it be a restaurant. So Mr. Boom want to advertise about it. So what Mr. Boom will do? It will go to Google, which is an advertising company. So Mr. Boom will go to Google and it will say, I want my restaurant to be advertised. So what Google will do? It will check the apps which are listed on Google, and we have our app which is listed on Google. So what Google will do, it will display the ad of Mr. Boom in our app. So as Google is using our app to display the Mr. Boom's advertisement, what Google will do, Google will pay us and Mr. Boom will pay Google. So Mr. Boom pays Google, and a part of the money which Mr. Boom paid Google, Google is going to pay us. So this is how ads work, and there are many different types of ads. Some of them are banner ads, video ads, which we see in apps in day-to-day life. So the ads is one of the best way to make money through our Android apps. And the second way of making money is in-app purchases. You see apps like Netflix, Prime, PUBG has in-app purchases. That means inside app we need to pay money in order to get something. Here in Netflix case it's subscription. Here in PUBG case, in order to buy weapons and new skins we need to pay money. So this is another way of making money through Android development. So let's see the third case. We have something called paid apps in Play Store. So in order to download an app you need to pay few money, like around 300 or 1000, 2000 depending on the app. So by paying those money you are going to you will be able to download the app. So Play Store takes few percent of that money, and remaining majority it is going to give to the developer. So this is how you are going to make money through Play Store. So now let's see, being a developer, how we can make apps and upload it on Play Store. So as a developer you will be learning few programming language in order to make apps and keep it in Play Store, which include React Native or Kotlin or Flutter, different languages and frameworks which you can learn. So if you are a React developer, then switching to React Native would be much easier. If you are some Java developer, then switching to Kotlin through Android development, it must be easier. So this is not a deep video on which language to choose. So for now, let's keep it simple. If you want a video, then comment it in the comment section. I will be making an entire video on which programming language to use. So now let's see about the how you can host it on Play Store. So in order to host it on Play Store, you need to pay a fee of 2000 for very first time. Like you need to pay 2000 very first time. From then on, you can have any number of apps. You can have 1000 apps in your account if you just pay 2000, which is one time fee, and after that you can upload as many apps as you want, and you can have ads integrated into it. So ads integration, let's talk about this. There are many companies which offer ads in it. So major companies like Google and Facebook also do it. So we can have our app registered in Google or Facebook in order to get ads displayed. So it can be done only once you have app in your app store. So then only you can have those ads. So but for testing there are many ways in which you can test if that ads better suits your UI design or not. So this is how you are going to have your app on Play Store and have ads in it. So this video is just a basic understanding on how to make money and how everything works. So if you want a video on any topic, just comment it down so that I will be making an entire video on the topic which you want, and in very understandable way. In this channel, we are going to upload videos which are related to business and how we are going to make money and build a business through tech like Android development, web development, and the other stuff. So if you want to grow together with us, then subscribe to Mr. Boom Schools. Thank you for watching. This is Vignesh signing off.